Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a recent report from NetBrands Corp, and it looks like they've decided to make a very big change, a financial change if you will. NetBrands Corp filed a Form 8K, which is basically a company saying, hey, something important happened that our investors need to know about right away. In this case, it's about a change in their accounting firm. Think of it like changing your financial doctor. This report is dated April 10, 25, so this is pretty fresh news. The first thing to note is that NetBrands has decided to switch who checks their financial books. They dismissed Ole Yinka, Oibler and Co. as their independent accounting firm. Now, this decision wasn't made in secret. The company's board of directors gave it the thumbs up. Oibler, Oibler and Co. wasn't around for very long. They started as the company's financial book checker in May of 2024. They did some reviews, basically checking the company's financial health for the first 3 quarters of 2024, but they didn't fully audit the books. Think of it as a quick checkup rather than a full medical exam. Those reviews from the old accounting firm had a warning. They pointed out that NetBrands had accumulated losses and negative cash flow, which means they were spending more money than they were making. The accounting firm raised concerns about the company's ability to continue as a going concern, which in simple terms means they were worried about whether the company could stay in business. The report also states that there weren't any disagreements between NetBrands and Ole Yinka, Oibler and Co. about how the company was handling its money or what information it was sharing. Also, there weren't any of what they call reportable events. So who's the new financial book checker? NetBrands has hired Aloba, Omolo and partners to take over. NetBrands is saying that they haven't talked with Alaboy, Awamol and partners about any tricky accounting situations or asked them what kind of opinion they might give on the company's financial statements. This is important because it suggests the company isn't trying to get a specific answer or opinion about their finances. Now let's move on to Exhibit. This just includes standard data in an interactive file. The report was signed by Paul Adler, who is the president of NetBrands Corp to now. Let's step back and think about what this all means. Changing accounting firms isn't always a red flag, but it does raise some questions. It's like switching doctors. Sometimes it's just a matter of finding a better fit, but other times it could be a sign that something isn't quite right. The previous auditor raised concerns about the company's ability to continue operating because they have accumulated losses. On the other hand, the new auditor has not expressed concerns. NetBrands will need to turn things around and fast so that the new auditors will not express similar concerns. So what is NetBrands doing about it? What are the company's plans to fix these problems? What are the major strengths or risks? Without further information, it's hard to say. If you're watching, if you enjoyed, please subscribe, like and comment. I would avoid this stock for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, like and comment.